What are you doing? Don't do that. You're not supposed to do that. Sit down.
But I can do it though.
No, you gotta sit down.
Well, I'm good at you, Mom.
No.
Oh.
Baby. Sit down. Sit down so we can play. Oh my God. What are you doing?
Well, what do you mean what I'm doing?
You know they gave you peach ice cream instead of chocolate?
They gave you peach?
They gave you peach ice cream.
Oh, you peach ice cream. You peach ice cream.
No, they gave you strawberry ice cream.
Strawberry.
They didn't give you chocolate.
You get chocolate?
No.
That's just bastard.
Who am I?
My girlfriend.
Your girlfriend? I'm your sister. Love you.
You.
You wanna go to sleep? You got your turtle? Huh?
Yeah, I got it.
You feel good? Huh?
Yeah, I do.
You do? Do you feel drunk? Baby. Baby.
Mm-hmm.
Can you blow me a kiss?
Your hands are fucking ice cream.
Can you blow me a kiss?
Mwah.
I love you.
I love you.
Sleep good, okay?
Yeah.
Don't forget about Dewey. He missed you. Dewey missed you. Dewey missed you. Did you miss Dewey?